Good morning, guys. Chris at Dentless Touch. Today I'm coming at you at my home office, hopefully with better audio for September's PDR News Fix. I think we finally have a decent schedule, guys, so I can keep bringing you this content monthly. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we also have a newsletter, which link will be in the description below. This video this month is sponsored by Mobile Tech RX, a estimating and invoice app for pretty much any mobile recon service. We use it here at Dentless Touch and we're very pleased at it. We're offering $100 off. The link will be in the description below. All right, guys, the much anticipated Elim-RITE version 3 light is finally out. I'm just checking their website and they have all of the batteries that you need, the Makita, the Milwaukee, and the DeWalt. This light actually has the suction cup attached to the light, so it's an automatic suction cup. You do not have to pump on this light. I remember when James Lee first came out with this light. It seems like it was about 8-9 years ago. So go ahead and check that out. The link will be in the description below. All right, guys, so the new buzz on the internet is the new LIFT-RITE mini lifter from Precision PDR Tools. It allows you to have less strain on your wrists and I guess use more forearm strength to create that vertical lift from any mini lifter. Mike Toledo from Dent went ahead and did a more in-depth review on this tool. So go ahead and head over to his channel and check that out. All right, guys, Mobile Tech Expo just allowed you to sign up for the Dent competition. This feels very fast. So it's right around the corner, guys. I believe it's in January. Again, link will be in the description below, guys. And like we do with all these videos, we do a tech spotlight. This time around is Dave Johnson. This is the creator of the Dingbat. We will also have Dave Johnson on our show this Monday coming up. So if you're watching this, we have a live show every Monday called PDR Think Tank. Go ahead and join us. Dave is a 22-year tech in this industry, so he has a lot of knowledge and I can't wait to interview him tomorrow. So guys, as we are in the hunt for the current news, if you have any, please feel free to reach out to me. If you're a tool manufacturer and you have a new tool coming up, more the merrier, and we'll be happy to feature it on the show. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.